We are at Sangam at IIT Madras. Sangam literally means confluence or coming together. All around me there are rivers or hostels named after rivers. They all come together right here. What's the correlation with what we are going to talk about? This is ideas getting together. So you come up with a lot of ideas using silent brainstorming and the TRIZ toolkit that you've been introduced to. So this is where you have to put all these ideas together and find out if you can evolve a concept out of it. It's very important that there be one dominant idea, one leading concept, and all these other ones fitting into your ideas. So this is why we want all these ideas merged into one concept. Okay. Now it has another advantage is that when you are presenting this idea to say a new member in your team or to somebody who has no idea what your project is about, they have never been associated with your project, you can talk about a concept. It's easier for them to comprehend what the concept is, and it's easier to pitch when you start with a single concept and then give all the add-ons and the features to it. Becomes very difficult when you have it as disparate ideas. So that's why we want you to merge all these ideas into a concept. So Sangam is a best place to think about it also. If you are here at IIT Madras, this is a wonderful place to sit in any part of this ground and think about ideas and how to merge them all together into a concept. Okay? Good luck doing the merging.